If Claude is giving you an error, freezing, or getting stuck in a loop, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This guide will help whether Claude is not loading, timing out, refusing to respond, or showing a limit message that stops you from continuing. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI fixes and software tips just like this. First, the simplest fix is to refresh the page or change tabs. If Claude looks stuck on loading, press reload and give it a moment to reconnect. Sometimes the conversation just needs a clean restart. If that does not work, open a fresh conversation window or start a new chat. A new tab can clear a temporary glitch and get the app responding again without changing your account or settings. Next, clear your cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can cause looping load errors, sign-in problems, or broken responses inside Claude. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached files and cookies for the site. If you are using the app, clear the application cache if that option is available on your device. After that, close the app or browser completely, then reopen it and try again. This step often fixes issues caused by corrupted session data. If Claude is still giving you trouble, re-authenticate your account. Log out completely, then sign back in to reset your active session token. Sometimes the error is not with the prompt at all, but with an expired or confused login session. By signing out and back in, you force Claude to create a fresh connection to your account, which can clear weird errors and restore normal behavior. Now, if you see a 5-hour limit warning, do not keep forcing it. Claude may be telling you exactly when your usage resets. Check the error banner carefully and look for the reset time shown there. In many cases, the safest fix is simply to wait until that window passes. If you keep trying to push through the limit, you may just keep seeing the same warning over and over. Another important fix is to shorten your prompts. If you are sending a huge request, a massive paste, or a large file all at once, Claude may struggle and throw an error. Instead, break the task into smaller step-by-step requests. Ask for one part first, then continue with the next part after the response. This is not only more reliable, it usually gives you better results because the AI can focus on each step more clearly. Also, avoid spamming retry. If Claude fails once, resist the urge to click retry again and again right away. That can make the problem worse by causing temporary throttling or more load errors. Instead, wait a few moments, then try once more. A short pause is often enough for the system to recover and respond normally. So to quickly recap, if Claude is giving an error, your best fixes are to refresh or open a new tab, clear cache and cookies, sign out and back in, check for usage limits, shorten your prompts, and avoid hammering the retry button. Those steps solve most common Claude issues without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more AI troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to fix Claude not loading, Claude network errors, or Claude rate limit issues in more detail.